Thank you, Silky, for giving a smooth timeline of coronavirus spread all over the world. Now I will request MD Farhan Hussain to please continue.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Farhan Hussain from class 9. Today I am here to give my point of view on the favor of the topic re-strengthening of the mind post-pandemic. In early days of pandemic, we were frightened of our future or our studies, but now we are doing very well. As the pandemic evoked stress and anxiety, we maintained a positive state of mind throughout this crisis. We are now creating a safe. हेलो हेलो
हाँ, यस मैम।
सर, 2 बच्चे अनाउंस किए आपने डिबेट के लिए?
हाँ, 2 ही बच्चे हैं और
सर, 4 बच्चे थे,
तो लोग नहीं प्रेजेंट हैं।
नहीं प्रेज़ेंट हैं। मेरे पास मैसेज आया है कि मैम सर ने सिर्फ 2 ही बच्चों का नाम बोला है।
अच्छा ठीक, उन लोगों को भी कर देंगे, प्रेजेंट है
हाँ,
ना वो?
नाम जी सर, एमडी फरहान और सौरभ।
ठीक है मैम।
ओके सर। Mentally strong, and now our life is coming on the track with a new sense of thinking and understanding new things in uniform way. Now everybody is using new abilities of being creative and new tricks or techniques to come back or to restart their life. Nowadays, people are going for their work with a new way. They learned that how to become fit and stay safe from this pandemic. At last, I would like to give you some signs that shows re-strengthening of the mind post-pandemic. First is the increase in recovery rate and decrease in death rate. In this case, if we observe previous months news reports, we will find that about 2,000 people were died in India per day due to pandemic. But now this data is decreased to 500 to 800 people per day. Second, the pandemic in some districts of Jharkhand is coming to an end. In this case, if we will look last 2 or 3 days newspaper of Jharkhand, we will observe that about 3 to 4 districts of Jharkhand has less than a number of 10 active cases. And the last sign is the process of removing lockdown by the government. In this case, as we heard in early days of pandemic that the government applied lockdown in all over the country, but now the government started the unlock process all over the country. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Farhan Hussain. Very positive view on pandemic, and we wish to we will very soon meet in the school in normal ways. Next, Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh Kumar, are you present?
Yes, sir.
I start your view.
No more pencils, no more books, no more teachers, scary looks. Out for summer, out till fall, we might not come back at all. Schools out forever, schools out with fever. It seems like these lyrics of Alice Cooper have come to hunt us. Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Saurabh Kumar from class 9, and today I am going to discuss my balanced perspective of COVID 19 and how to re-strengthen our mind post-pandemic. March 11, 2020, World Health Organization (WHO) declared COVID-19 as the global pandemic. The virus reached to all continents and over 200 countries. The virus was extremely contagious and
यस
हेलो।
यस सर।
बोल रहे थे सर जैसे हम अपना मोबाइल से रिचार्ज करेंगे
सर अभी मीटिंग में है सर, स्कूल का असेंबली चल रहा है सर, 5 मिनट
तो
में।
अच्छा आइडिया
रिकॉर्डिंग हो
फ्री
रहा है
है
इसी
क्या?
फ़ोन पे, इसी फ़ोन पे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है सर।
ठीक।
affected so many activities like sports. We cannot go out to play. Shops and factories are closed. All the flights are shut. The schools are in due of opening. We cannot go out to watch films in theater.
We cannot go out to eat food in the restaurants, and tourism is closed too. This COVID has not only affected our lungs, but it has also affected our health and emotions. It is not going to be easy for us to fight with it, but we have to, and we will re strengthen our mind post pandemic. Post pandemic, a paradigm shift is required physically, mentally, and socially. Let us discuss what these points are. Medical practitioners, scientists, doctors, and frontline medical workers work very hard to do tests, find drugs, and make vaccines. We must stay physically active by doing yoga and exercise daily. Overcome stress and anxiety. This is just temporary. We can overcome this by playing some games, dancing, singing, playing some songs, etc. Strengthen our mental activity. We can do this by doing yoga and listening to music. We should not stop socializing. We should do some video calls, some calls, and we should play online games too with our friends and family. We should take care of our health and diet by eating adequate health and homemade food. We should follow our schedule with discipline. We are not going to school. That does not mean that we will not follow our schedule to do. That we should make a list and we should follow it with discipline. And in COVID, there are some positive things going on to like boom of new sectors like medical pharma and biotechnology and e-commerce industries which are Zoom, Skype, WebEx, etc. COVID-19 is not only the dangerous disease, tuberculosis and dangerous than COVID-19. Think positive. Fuel consumption is reducing, CO2 emission is reducing. Air quality is improving and the wildlife is coming out. Due to COVID, we have to learn to do business meeting, school classes online, and maybe this will continue in future. To so we have to learn to adapt our new ecosystem. We have to take baby steps to rebuild our economy. The economy will not be built overnight, but we have to stay positive and be focused. Stay positive. Let me finish this with this song. We shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Saurabh. Next, MD Farhan. MD Farhan, are you present? Absent. Farhan, are you listening? Farhan, तुम मीटिंग में हो? Okay, absent. Thank you, Saurabh. MD Farhan Hussain and Silky. You all three have best in this debate. The result will be published after due time or today itself. Next, Atul sir.
Thank you very much, Mahendra sir, for organizing this debate competition. And I also thank all the students who have given their views. Now, very few are giving, you are sending their videos. So I request all the students to please send their videos as early as possible. You will get one certificate for that. And Mahendra sir,
Yes, yes sir. Yes sir.
इन बच्चों का अटेंडेंस रखना है, उन्हीं बच्चों को ही सर्टिफिकेट मिलना है.
Okay sir. Attendance scroll कर लेता हूँ.
Thank you very much for attending today's meeting. Now you can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you sir. सभी लोग मीटिंग छोड़ के जा सकते हैं. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Sir, thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. सभी लोग अपना वीडियो पोस्ट करो CC ग्रुप में.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.